Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for November the 14th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, study results suggest that prescription doses of Pfizer's Celebrex have similar rates of cardiovascular risk to ibuprofen and naproxen in patients with osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. Lead investigator Stephen Nissen said, "We can conclude most definitively here that Celebrex does not increase the risk of major cardiovascular events in comparison to the older drugs." However, some experts questioned the study, including the high dropout rate, as making the results hard to interpret. Over the course of the trial, 68.8% of the more than 24,000 patients enrolled stopped taking the drug they were assigned to, and 27.4% of the subjects discontinued follow-up. In other news, sources suggested that Novartis is in discussions to buy generic drug maker Amneal Pharmaceuticals as it looks to strengthen its Sandoz unit. The People indicated that the parties may reach a deal soon, adding that Amneal could be valued at as much as $8 billion. In addition, an update to the Access to Medicine Index shows that while pharmaceutical companies are getting more sophisticated in the way they get products to poor people, good practice is limited to a narrow range of drugs and countries. Jayashree Iyer, executive director of the Access to Medicine Foundation, noted that the industry can do much more in the area of affordability, adding there's still a huge gap of more products that need to be there. And finally, the FDA issued a complete response letter regarding Dynavax Technologies' filing for the hepatitis B vaccine Heplisav-B. CEO Eddie Gray said the time and resources that will be required to gain approval leads us to consider that we may not be able to advance this program on our own. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.